Stand by.
Oh. White silhouette.
5, a traffic cone. Right side.
Hit! That's a hit, you're good.
500 silhouette.
Back right corner.
Back right corner.
No call. Right edge.
Skip.
Hit!
You got
Oh,
it.
fuck it.
That's in the
Popper.
middle. Popper.
Right edge. Come one target left. Hit!
Yellow silhouette.
Above the
Neon zombie skull is right above that.
Am I
very yellow.
past the car?
Just past the car.
The one in the back, right?
Neon
Nope.
zombie skull just above that. No call. No call. No call.
Skip.
Okay.
Behind the barricade.
Hit.
One hit top, one hit bottom.
Good. Good.
Both two. Is that this left side? Oh no, I see it.
Back to the pallet.
Hit! 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 Hit!
Close poppers.
Double tap. Hit. 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 Hit.
Done. Oh.
Got one more. 400 yards.
400 yards.
2 yellow targets on the left side. Hey, good. All right, let's see this chamber.
Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by. Yeah, yeet. A little short. All right, give me 2 on each. Don't shoot the can cannon. 2. 1, 2. 2. 2. Good. 1 each. 1, 2, 3, 4. Show me a clear rifle. I see a clear rifle. Grab that fucking W Dragon. Here we go. Woo! Move, brother, move. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Dress pistol targets in the order you prefer.
What the fuck?
Uh-oh.
God damn.
Up. Down. Hit. Hit. Good. Up. Down. Up. Down. Good. Address spitter with extendo, if possible. Wait, trap it. There you go. Just like that. Keep doing it. Single hits are better than double misses. You're too soon. Keep going to do it to the thing you're doing. Hammer. Over. Give me 1 hit each on those 4. 1, 2, 3. You're edging me. 4. There you go. Show me a clear pistol. Time 1:06.54 clean.
Let's
Nicely done. Excellent job. Great. Holster.
106.
1:06.54 clean.
Fire.
I believe so, sir.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. One, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. Hit. 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 One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hit.
You're kidding me.
Over. Between the pallets. Hit. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Unload and show clear. And slide, hammer, and holster. 9737.
Fuck.
Are you ready? Get ready. Stand by. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Good?
Yep. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Mag. Good. Holster. Ear pro. We need ear pro.
Yep.
Fuck. You got earplugs or no?
No, they fell out.
Hold on.
Keep going. Timer malfunction. Stop.
You lucky duck.
You're good. Keep going.
You got ears.
Gas her up. Good. Good. Low in the ditch. Good. White rectangle in the field. Good. High. Good. Move. Hit. 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 White rectangle. Hit. Popper. Hit. Move.
Wipe the muzzle.
Muzzle's downrange. Hit.
Make
High.
the hit.
Hit.
There it is.
Low in the gully. Hit.
Tough it out.
Rectangle.
Tough it out.
No call. Shift. Next target. Time.
All right. Shooter, do you understand the course of fire?
I believe so.
Shooter, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Hit. Hit. Hit.
Skip.
Hit.
Skip.
Okay. Clearing target. Way left. Hit. 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 No call. All right. Low.
Skip.
Yep. Home shot. Hit. Slow down. Hit. 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 All right. Skip 2 on the first one, 1 on the second, and 1 here. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
God.
Stitch it. Go.
First rifle position. Hit. Good. Comfortable position. You got to get me. Shoot that first head on the left. Down. Good. Next target.
Sorry.
You're
Yep.
good. Hit. Up. Down. Up. Down. Next position. Up. Shoot the head. Down. Hit. Up. All over.
Fuck it. Skip it.
Skip it. Up. Shoot that net. High. Shoot that net. Low. Low. Down. Drop mag. High value. Hit. Stand up. Sling. Time
Skipping
for
the spinner.
Time for pistol from back here. Back here. There you go. Back here. Back here. Pistol. You got to hit the spinner.
I said
Skip it.
skipping.
Oh. Sorry, didn't hear you. Hit. Hit. Right side. Hit. 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 Left. Hit. 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 Last one. Hit. All right, I'm gonna show clear. Sorry, brother, I didn't hear you say I'm skipping.
You're fine.
All right. I see clear. Hammer down, holster. So 14767, 2 total pen. I'd say that was the right move.
Are you ready? Ready. This table. Hit, 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 forward and right. Hit, 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 dismount. Hit, 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 move right, slide right. Hit, advance, muzzle, here you go. Hit, 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 hit. Unload, show me, clear. All right, I see clear, hammer down, holster. Range is clear. 8365. Understand the course of fire?
Yep.
All right, shooter, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Good move. Target to your left. Hit, holster. Move to the right. Keep going straight, follow the curve. Straight. Take a left at this junction. Stand in this square, load your rifle. 2 hits on each seal, starting with that target just to the left. Your high right. 1, 2. Target 5 o'clock from the cone. See the grass? 1, 2. Just to the right of the bush, a square. 1. 2. Hopper to the right of that. 1, 2. Safe and move. Grab your rifle. Grab the machine gun.
The Brownells machine gun.
Good. Square is just to the left of those bushes. You see it? You're just over it. 1. 2. 6 o'clock from the cone. Right edge. Left it. 1, 2. Square to the right of the bush. And take a breath. 1, 2. Hopper. 1, 2. Unload and show clear. 9, 8. That is clear. Drop the bolt. Range is clear.
15989 for Jason Chandler.
Thank you.
Nice shooting.
Thank you, guys. I appreciate you. Our own this
sir.
weekend.
Absolutely. Thanks for coming out, man.
Major, bro.
For sure.
I made it back.
You made it back.